Welcome, here I've got REALME C21 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location text at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's tap to the settings from the right to open the advanced camera settings. And here we have the location option, so by using the button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on like that as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to remember to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So these two parameters, the location and the internet, are important to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. Now let's go to the right corner at the bottom to more. Here we have to pick the details, and at the third position now we can check the location with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.